loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe and join the family. Today's video is just gonna be me doing my press-on nails that I had bought from 5 and Below. They're so cute, y'all. They like the little holographic nails. I don't know if y'all can really see it, but they're so cute. And they're really short too, so that's why I like them about it too, because they gonna last. So the name of them is Peach and Cream, I guess. Yeah, Peach and Cream. And they're really short. They're so cute. I don't know if y'all can see that because the glare from my lamp. That's my only light. But anyway, y'all really can't see it. I'm gonna take a picture of it for my thumbnail so y'all can see it. But yeah, they holographic nail tip pixies. It's 33 nail piece kit. Nail glue included and little file and whatever. So yeah, so let's just go ahead and get right into the video. All right, so you want to start off with freshly washed hands. Make sure your hands are completely dry. I wash my hands with antibacterial soap, of course, just to remove all of the bacteria and whatnot. So in here, well, with this nail kit, it came with like a nail prep pad. But if you don't have a nail prep pad, you can just get like some rubbing alcohol. I know it's the exact same thing. So you can just get you like some rubbing alcohol, some little cotton swabs, and just clean your nails off. And what that is doing, that's just taking the oil off your nail bed, because your hands and your nails are very oily, so you want the nails to stick completely so that they'll last, really. Yeah, so I'm just gonna use a little nail prep pad thing that what it came with. So make sure you clean your whole entire nail. That's what I'm gonna do right now. And if y'all hear like some noises in the background, it's probably like some little kids and stuff outside my window and stuff. Because it is like around 4 or 5 and they is out of school and stuff. So don't mind the baby. And if y'all hear Toby too, he be barking at the babies. Because he don't go outside like that. So yeah, okay. So now I'm done with the nail prep. So now I'm just gonna clip my nails down some. And you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but it's just best if you do. Just keep your nails clipped, so it'll be easier to apply the nail. And be careful when you clipping your nails, so you don't cut your actual like the little, I forgot what it's called, like the little meat under your nail, because you don't want to do that, because that real hurt, honey. It hurts so bad. Try not to do that. Even though I don't have nails like that, because they broke off when I because my nails got so thin with constantly getting that that acrylic. My nails just got so thin. So I was just, you know, like, I need to break away from them. I just needed to break away from it. So I just decided to do these. Because, you know, you can't go wrong with press on nails. And it's not that many, it's not chemical. Because the, you know, with the, not acetone nails, but the, acrylic nails is so many chemicals that break down your nails. And plus when they putting, like, trying to make your nail big good enough for the acrylic to stick, they have to file down your nails so thin. So I just got tired of that. And plus, like, I got tired of the weight as well, being in there, like, because it's so time consuming. You have to sit like your whole day just to go get your nails done. And sis, I do not feel like doing that at all. I have other stuff to do. So you gotta learn how to do time management, and this only gonna take probably like 10-15 minutes out your day at the most. because you only gonna hold the nails down for like 15 seconds. So right now I'm just pushing my cuticles back. So you know the nail look nice and natural. I wish I had some cuticle oil because I seen I watched one of her videos on how she applied her little personal nails and stuff. And it was pretty informative, and I like that. I love informative videos. So I was just like, okay. Well, I already had some personal nails, so let me do an updated personal nail, you know. With a good vibe. And I cannot use cuticle cutters, so we're just gonna work with foot scissors, you know. They look pushed back in there. Y'all, these nails are so good. So the kit does come with some nail glue and a little nail file. I feel like all the little nail kits come with nail file. I wish they should, because I mean it's a necessity on your nails. And I know some people like have a preference of nail glue that they like to use. Cause I know Kim Kardashian, she uses like what is it? The other, it's like a Kiss fast drying nail glue. She likes that to do her nails with.
You are now about to witness the strength of street knowledge.
So this
You are now about to witness the strength of street knowledge.
almost there.
You are now about to witness the strength of street knowledge.
Your nail real quick so the nail is stiff.
You are now about
Okay, y'all, I'm back and I'm done. I like them. They so cute and short. Like, I can do so much with them. But anyway, I'm done. Thank you guys for watching. And tell me if you liked the video. And if you want to give me some more tips on how I can make these nails last longer, how I can make them look more realistic, or some nails that I should try. And yeah, just let me know. But that'll be the end of this video. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button as well. Make sure you hit the little bell on the side of the subscribe button. And join the family. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.